how to change the blade on the Stanley FatMax utility knife. So all we need to do is extrude the blade so it's at its most open position like that. Press this red button down, get the blade, and you may need a little force. That's why it's always best wearing safety gloves. And pull it out like that. It is always a little stiff, and that's how you detach it or remove it. Then you need to again get the position right at the end, put it in so you make resistance like that. Press the red button down, then keep pressing. There you go, like that, and then make sure everything's working okay like that. So that's how to change the blade on the Stanley FatMax utility knife. So that's how to attach a blade to the Stanley FatMax utility knife. Hopefully you found that video helpful. If you did, smash the like, smash the subscribe, and thanks for watching.